Okay, so are you mad at me I haven't fed you? So you're knocking at the door. Okay. You're back. I know. And if I don't go out and put more bird seed in, then you're not going to be happy. Okay. I'm going to head over to the sliding glass door to the patio. And I will put some food out for you now, okay? Sorry, I got a little bit behind, but I'll do it right now. Okay, there you are. You went from the front door to the sliding glass door in the patio because you want me to put food out. I'm sorry, I got a little bit behind, but I'm going to put out some food right now for you. I know, you come every day. All right, I'm going to go into the garage and get some bird seed, and I'll put it out for you. Sorry, got a little busy today. Okay, I put the bird seed out. Oh, that doesn't look like you. You're not fat enough. What happened? I think that's one of your buddies. One of your buddies is sneaking in on you. That's not you. I know it isn't because you're a lot fatter than that. Where are you? Doesn't take that long to get from the front door. Oh, there you are. Yep. Look how fat you've gotten since I've started feeding you with your knocking. I hope you don't start teaching him how to knock. I can what? You don't like what I'm saying? You don't like the fact that somebody else is eating your food? Wow. Just go over there and start eating so I don't have to hear from you for a while. Go eat your food. Yeah. There you go. Whew, maybe I'll have a little bit of a break. Boy, you are getting fat.